today? I hope you're doing great.
Friends, today's our recipe is potato and cauliflower curry. It's very easy to make it and very healthy and yummy to eat. It's kind of spicy version and it's very tasty also. Here are all the ingredients. I have taken 2 potatoes, cut into circle like this and soak it in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. And here is the cauliflower. Wash it with hot water, salt and little bit of turmeric. And here I have taken some green chilies. Green chilies you can take according to your taste. If you want more spicy, you can take more. And here is the fresh coriander. I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is the whole masala. 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 to 4 peppercorns, 1 cardamom and 3 cloves. And this is some garlic cloves and grated ginger. You can take a whole ginger also. Since I have grated ginger, so I am using that. And this is onion cut into lengthwise. Here is the tomato puree. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes, blind it like a puree. I'll give you ingredients in the description below. Here in one mixer jar, first add coriander into this and add ginger, garlic into this and add our whole masalas, clove, peppercorn, cinnamon into it. And here I have taken 3 green chilies and in this chopped onion, let's add half of the onion. The remaining half should be goes to the oil, so we'll keep it as it is. Now let's add some water and make a smooth paste. See friends, this is our paste. Now it's ready. Now let's go and let's start cooking. One vessel on the stove and switch on the flame. Let it be the medium. One vessel on the stove and add some oil into this. Once the oil is heat up, now time to add our remaining onion to this and saute till it's golden brown. Now see our onion turned into brown. Now it's time to add our paste, what we grinded before. Let the flame be in low and we need to cook till its oil separates. Keep it in a medium flame. Cook till oil separates. Because we grinded all the ingredients raw, that raw smell has to go. Till then we need to cook it. Keep on stir like this or else it will stick to the bottom. Here it's time to add our potato into this. Add cauliflower into this. Let's stir for 5 minutes. Let it boil in this masala for 5 minutes. Mix it well. Now it's time to add tomato puree to this. Tomato puree to this and mix it well. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients, coriander powder and turmeric powder into this. Mix it well and add little bit of water and salt. Now it's time to add salt. Here I am adding little bit of water. Now let's cover and cook it. If you want, you can taste here, like salt, spicy and all, you can taste. Let's cover and cook until it's done. In between you have to stir it once or twice and check whether our potato is well cooked or not. And our potato cauliflower curry is well cooked. Now I turned off the flame. See, nice aroma. It go very well with rice or any roti and chapati as well. Here I'm gonna serve. My son will eat with rice. We are all eating with chapati because he likes to eat with rice. So I'm going to give him with rice.
So friends, now let me eat and tell you the taste. Taste it. It's very yummy, friends. You need to try this out. So yummy. Thank you, friends.
Please watch our other videos down below. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Have a great day.